I need some caution tape down here as well.
Don't do it, dude.
We got a cop car.
Don't do it. Watch out, watch out. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Go. Get out of the car. Freeze. Stop.
Cop car. Dealership. Bristol, still car 257, headed northbound on your own highway speed. Six behind him, six behind him. You're over me. This is 17 units to the drive. Down there? 52. Approaching Route 6. Route 6, you did have his life out. He's approaching Route 6. He's way ahead of me right now. Bristol does not have any lights on. Suspect wants to hit once or twice on the down Brook Street. Southbound down Brook. We'll need to put the garage for Christ. Southbound on Brook. If that's not someone down there, he activated the lights. Once you guys go to an event one or something like that, you can hear the radio.
Is everything clear?
Yeah. I need some caution tape down here as well.